Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is the fourth video I'm doing, being here at Copart for the new one that's opened up in New York. This one you do have to be a dealer in order to buy, but you don't have to be a dealer in order to walk around. You do have to register with them, yes, but you just can't really buy anything. If maybe one of your friends has a dealer's license, maybe they'll hook you up. But I'm going to walk around. But first, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, that like, and hit that bell for notifications. So I'm going to walk you guys around and show you more of Copart. You guys seen this one. It's Ford F-150 Limited. This is a really nice truck. This one I showed you guys the inside of it. Here's some of your more common ones. A lot of older pickup trucks. Like this Toyota, this don't look old at all. I don't know what year it is, a little muddy over there. Looks pretty new. I mean, it looks like really new. I don't know, we'll walk around the other side. There's a lot of nice cars here. A lot of nice vehicles. I don't know why this one's here. I mean, there's a little bit in the front end. I mean, it smells brand new in here too. Yeah, 15,000 miles. That's all it has. And this truck is, well, we haven't heard the tag. Maybe it'll let me know what year it is, maybe. Let's see what we got here. No, it doesn't really tell me anything. But this is a nice truck. I drive this. I like these little four-door trucks. These are always nice. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit on the front end, but, you know, it smacked a little bit. Went down something. I'm surprised they even totaled it. You know, a little transit van. Hey, someone left us some chips. Whew, yeah, that stinks. I'm not opening that door again. Oh, yuck. Yeah, that one smells very ripe. That doesn't say Biohazard on it. It should. Eesh. BMW 2005. Side window, probably like an X3 or something. An X5, yeah. Well, little rear backup lights out. In the front end doesn't look bad. Comes complete with a Kool-Aid stain. Smells good in here. Definitely way better compared to the one I just opened the back door on. Never doing that again. Huh. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice too, for being older. Even though their BMWs are not cheap to fix. I'm just wondering with this transit van. Please tell me there's a Biohazard sticker somewhere. Yeah. No, there isn't, but yeah, the front end of this got a little tweaked. Yeah, see? I think they put the sticker on the wrong one. Ugh. See if we can get a thumbnail out of you. Yeah. Yeah, they're not. Okay, that one is definitely a theft. Here's another newer one, GMC. I'll make our way down to the nice spray painted one. It hasn't been hit too bad. What year are we? 2017. 4x4. Yeah, somebody opened the door on it already. Which I'm gonna. Yep, there's that nice little click sound you get when you open up the doors. It wasn't nobody who did construction. This was just somebody who just owned it and drove it. Because it still smells brand new too. Wow. Oof. Now watch my step, man. A lot of stone in here. I'll make our way over to this nice, lovely spray painted one. Somebody would definitely... Ooh, yeah, I'm not going to show that. Somebody was not happy. Yeah, they definitely put some colorful words on it. Let's just put it that way. I'll make my way around it really quick. I mean, you can't really open here. I don't know if I want to. I'm going to read the side of this beforehand. Yeah, they smashed all the door handles, or smacked them all out. Yeah, somebody was not happy with this individual. I'm not going to try and go through that. But I did see, and I love these ones. Yeah, these nice Chevys. What year? 2015. Take a walk around first. That's not too bad. No, it caught a little bit of the dog leg, but not much. Surprised they totaled this all. These trucks hold their value. And these Tahoes are always nice. My wife loves these trucks, and so do I. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's... The rest of it's in beautiful shape. And that back there... Oh, nice leather interior. I bet you this thing starts. Yeah, it starts up. Brake assist. I'm gonna shut it off. Yeah, that sounds nice and mean. This truck is really nice. Wow. Nice big sunroof. Nice black leather seats. We got a lot of storage in these things. Left us some pennies, and yeah, they definitely were a smoker. So got for your phone, USB ports and all that. Yeah. There's another USB port. Yeah, more stuff you can hook in. Yeah, this. Oh, what the? Oh, wireless earphones. No kidding. Wow. Oh, that's why I could. I'll show you that in a second. It's got the DVD player or something in it. Okay, I'm not opening that door. I think I just set the alarm. Oops. We can have fun with that. Sorry, guys. The Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Oh, back window. Yeah, these are nice trucks too. Not the best on gas, but so what? They're still nice and fun to drive. You know. That's, I mean, they just these Jeeps and things just rot out so quick. Wonder what's wrong with it. Walk our way around it. Ah, that explains it. Yeah, but it's pretty high up. Completely missed the frame. Yeah, you can put this one back together real quick. Especially if you know what you're doing. Yeah. Lots and lots of other vehicles here. You can burn up a lot of time walking around this place. Now I see why when some of these guys film these, they just, break up the videos. Yeah, poor truck. Ooh, Biohazard. No thanks. Keep it. Even though that one I smelled was funky and should have had a Biohazard sticker on it, because when I opened the door it hit me like a brick. Got a nice Dodge Ram. 1500. It's clean. I'm trying to see what year it is. 2014. Okay. I'm gonna need the bed. Yeah, I bet you if you took this bed off and that rear bumper, you'd be good to go. Maybe. Hold on. You need a little bit more. because it pushed it in. But if you get it for the right price, yeah, somebody like this one too. They kept it clean. Because it smells really good in here too. Yeah. Yeah, another Ford truck. Oh, it's a Ranger. Wow, these are new. Why is this here? I like these trucks. I wasn't sure what it was. Yeah, I mean, it got crushed into the cab right there, but I mean, the rear bumper is all intact. How did that get pushed in? Tail light, okay. I mean, take a look at the front end here. God, I walked right past this before and didn't look twice at it. Figured I'd get to it. Yeah, this is... Yeah, I bet you this is a 2019. Yep, real quick. I'll show you up there. 2019. Yeah, 928. Wow. Another one, yeah, it smells brand new. Wow. I'm climbing in this one. Got a key, yeah. Had to shut that off. Sorry, guys. And the heater's still on. See if it'll start, maybe. Make sure it's in. Wow. Start to right up. Let's see if you can see how many miles are on it. $13,000 miles on this. I'm trying to zoom in on that. Or no, I'm sorry, 1,300 miles. 1,324 and 41 miles. Jeez. This truck barely... It's a brand new truck. Brand new. Thing is not even broken in. Somebody had to get this thing up. It's got more room in it than mine. Yeah, this is nice. Man, I've never been a big fan of like gray or silver, but this is really nice. Started right up. I don't see why it wouldn't. But yeah, that's a good find. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna be shooting a lot of videos in here. That's a little crunchy. What year is it? 2019. It's a brand new truck. I can't believe how many brand new vehicles are here. Backup camera. I mean, there's... I don't know if that's a sport bike or something. Yeah, the airbags went off. All of them went off. Yeah, this thing turned into a cannoli. Yeah, the side seat airbags, side curtain. At least the dashboard ones didn't go off for the steering wheel. Yeah, mileage on this. Where are we? Oh, come on, hopefully it went out. I didn't put my camera back down the side. Sorry, guys. I screwed anything up, but I will walk around this one. This one's brand new too, 2019. Yeah, I mean that's. Oh yeah, it's a sport bike. I mean, there's some old trucks here. Don't get me wrong. That looks like a recovered theft. Call it, yeah. Yeah. Let's see what year it is. Why would you take all the door handles? It's up 2014. No real way of getting into it. Take a look. Like I said, there's some older ones there. 350, 370Z over there. It's cheap. The front end looks really high and the rear end looks low. Looks like it's squatting. Back tires are, that's a Pennsylvania. Back tires are flat. I guess we'll find the goodiness on the other side maybe. No. I don't know, something broke in the rear end or... I don't know. I don't get it. I mean, it's in really nice shape. No. Yeah, if you guys are, looking to Copart in Angola, New York, you guys are gonna find some nice ones. It surprises me. It just 370Z. We'll find out what year this is. Headlights are a little faded. Somebody definitely driving this around. 2009.